macro uncertainties or macro uncertainty. So recent reports and the volatility ahead can also keep the trend up. Nobody knows the volatility in the market keep good ahead of others. You know what I mean? So there are some other things that may happen in the market. There are some. I'm not when it comes to FX. I may match technical and fundamental on it, so that's how I do, and I pick only top fundamentals if I want to trade FS. Then I focus more on technical. They say this month the Euro USD remains range bound, struggling to break above resistance. Then the Euro itself is facing downward pressure from the FEMA USD, which is supported by expectation of potential Fed cut, that's Federal rate cut, being slower or shallower than expected. I know that some of you don't like fundamental once you come to FS, so you want to know whether you're buying or you're selling. So now, the Euro USD, this statement now is talking about two things: Euro USD, which is a pair, and Euro himself, which is a currency. So the Euro USD is facing a lot of pressure. Some level of pressure already on Euro USD. Now we would like to know what this pressure is in the coming days. What the federal record is with in the coming days, and how can apply it on the market. So I'm just trying to check the forecast already to see what's going to happen. Someone want to ask me a question? Let me check. So I'm checking something. Yeah. This week forecast. We don't have focus on euro. Spanish unemployment change. Euro use is tomorrow. What is the euro talking about? FOMC is speaking tomorrow, and that's United States. Let me check again. Okay. Okay. So we have all inventory on Wednesday, certainly by 3 p.m. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm sharing a different screen. I'm talking about different screens. So this is the screen I'm sharing with you guys. Yeah, this is the screen I'm talking about. Okay. Okay, we don't have much. Okay. Okay. So let me go back to here. So on the Britain pound, we have the similar report on euro, with the same report we have on euro concerning the monetary policy expectation of Bank of England versus the federal rate of United States. It has a very big influence. But let me see what the market is talking about. The market consolidation is likely to be 1.34 to 1.37. So let me check the market consolidation of euro: 1.18 to 1.1 to 1.185. So now let's apply it with a single knowledge: 1.85. 1.18 to 1.85. So this is 0 USD, 1.18. Okay, perfect. Yeah, and this is 1.85, 1.18. Okay, okay, perfect. Let some of you are struggling to join. In case you struggle to join, analysis minutes. We're supposed to be only 1 hour, but because of time, we may extend it a little bit of time, a little what was the market range? Is 1.13. Okay, let me check Bitcoin per USD. 1.13 Bitcoin per USD. Going up, but I don't know the reason why it's going up now. But we're going to apply what we call technical analysis. Look at even Bitcoin per USD, something is actually happening. This is just happening now, like 2 or 3 hours ago. Yeah, if you check it, happened like just now. Something is happening. Something is happening, and it's not on the news yet. Yeah, somebody sending me a chat. Let me see if any of you must have seen what I've heard it on the news. Why the market is seriously going up? The first market, no, I thought it's something is happening in euro in the currency market. Seriously, something is happening. But it's not yet on the news. But let's use our common sense, because of now. Outlook here, we're supposed to send you Outlook in the morning on Euro USD and then per USD on the buy. But we wanted this market to relax a bit. Unfortunately, we didn't capture when it started revising, but it has already positioning itself for our analysis. So what we're saying now is this: potentially our buying analysis on Euro USD is still valid. It's now valid, and I mean, kind of, it has fully triggered. Remember, before this time we sold Euro USD because of the unemployment rate was very high. So unemployment rate was very low. So employment rate was high, which was a bullish to dollar. And Euro USD have to be bearish together. So we have to give it an analysis before we close for the year. But this month we expected another a serious rebound on Euro. So now what we're going to analyze now based on the market structure is this. You see, this thing that's formed here is what we call sniping entry. If I've seen it on time, those of you using a pro forma account, it could have been an opportunity for you to double your money and make a good amount of money at the same time, assuming you saw it on time. So 1.16 is our potential SL, and another SL is 1.16799, and the last SL should be 1.17049. So we should leave it empty until we target exits. Our exit should be around 1.17788. I don't know if I'm too fast. If I'm too fast, you can call me back. We should 17788. Yeah. So that should be our potential side. 1.6 our list SL, under 1.167799. Then the leaks, where the third SL we have put on a short notice 1.17046. Then we keep it empty to around 1.17788. So believe me, you have chance of making profit. Then if you check the euro, the Britain pound US, it has broken our mini resistance. So once the resistance is broken, the market is going to continue. So we urge you, or we suggest, or we suggest for you, if you want to trade on it, that's 1.35045043, and we could keep it potentially open till around 1.36 or 1.3616. So we have to look for this particular support. Something is happening. Something is currently happening. So this week could be a little bit serious. In fact, even this month could be a very much good thing for this market. Something is happening. Something is happening. So we should even be looking at 1.3718. Yeah, we should be looking at 1.3718 from now to the end of the 3 or 4 weeks time, or let's say 10 to 15 days time. Then we should be looking at 1.37. Yeah, it's very much possible, but putting our SL within that level. So if on our Telegram, always Instagram, always make sure you join us on the other group. Yeah. So Now, what I'm saying on the week analysis here is that potentially we'll be having a buying position on oil, buying position on Euro USD, and buying position on Euro on Britain Pound USD so far to see what is gonna bring. Of course, holding position on gold. Our gold position is still strong on gold, but there's something we are analyzing on oil fundamentally. We are talking about. See, the market is full of volatility. Something is coming up here too, like counter information I'm seeing here. I'll share it with you. Mm. I'll share it with you because I wanted to go to fundamental, but something is actually happening. Yeah, I'll share it with you. Can you see my screen, guys? And I'm open for question now, so you can start bringing in questions. So they said that the U.S. stock surge following Trump, Belize, following Trump release in Venezuela, and this one just happened around 10 a.m. US time, which is around let's say 4 p.m. Shares of US oil refinery surge in pre-market trade following the capture of this guy. So into company like Chevron are set to benefit. So there are some of the signal we're receiving on the bullish trend here. So the share in the biggest refining Marathon Petroleum or energy also surged between 5% to 12% in pre-market rate just this Monday, and then that could be one of the reasons why the market keep moving up as we see, because of more people are buying the oil shares. So if they keep buying the oil shares, the market we can potentially keep going up. Yeah, and there's also a threat here that Denmark have also these people have also like confirmed it, that Denmark said that Trump Greenland threat look real after Venezuela move. So now, so this is another issue that I told you that may cause tension within the eurozone, which could also impact the market. And if it's impacted the market, you could see there will be a lot of reactions against the stock market and maybe in favor of commodity market more, especially gold, yeah, and stuff like that. So this first analysis, this first outlook, we may not just technically be looking at where to buy and what to sell, which is very much important. We have also outlined on that. We still want to discuss strategies we're gonna use in trading this week. So one of the strategies we're gonna be using in trading this week is this. One of the strategies we're gonna be using in trading this week is this. One, we will combine gold hedging. We will combine gold hedging with I think I'm okay with like this. So we'll combine gold hedging and combine automated trading and combine manual trading together. Then, and we will also be trading only top analysis. We will not be speculating. So if you're a speculator coming in, you want every hour trading, it means you're gonna be on a wrong group. So we are not ready for that trading. That's our strategy for this year. This year we're gonna focus more on trading. We want to trade on what you give us profit, what not to satisfy your emotions. I know that some of you belong to multiple Telegram group where you see thousands or hundreds of pick here, pick here. We are not like that. So we are not. We want to be stable in trading. So we'll be combining them together. So that those of you who want to trade manually, when we drop those analysis, you could be able to pick them. You know what I mean, and place them on your trade and go home. Because we'll be more of profit focus, not just to be trading. Like I like what Flames said. I don't know whether he's still here. So I like as he's told me how he was able to grow his account, but still have started having issues. Those issues is what we want to stop this year. That one ended last year. If you want to be with us, it can only be with us if you want to make profit and if you don't want to lose capital in trading. That is the only reason why you should be with us. So if you are with us, you are expecting to blow your account and be shouting, "Forest, Forest will humble you, Forest will humble you." We are not the right place for you to stay. So you rather use that money, go and pursue girls in a nightclub than to be losing into another guy who owns a platform, maybe one broker who based in Dubai now, in a coffee shop at the Dubai tallest building and chilling with his girlfriend with your money. Because the money you're losing in Forex goes to brokers and liquidity. And these brokers and liquidity are young boys like us. It's not even older men. They're young guys. If you don't know it. If you go to Dubai, you see them with their Ferrari, Lamborghini, and everything. That's money you're losing to them. Goes to them. I'm not saying it's legal or illegal, but I mean, I'm trying to tell you that they are all young people like us who are tech inclined. They merge it with fintech. They have billions and millions of dollars they're using. It's not people of 60, 70 years. They are all our generation that are running brokers. So if you know that you're not going to stick to the game of winners, you want to be gambling and losing capital, you know that our group is not for you at all. Instead of you going to put this money and keep doing it back to back, these guys keep getting richer every day. Then you rather use it to go and pursue girls in your street and drink beer or find something that you can do so that you know that they won't enter your soul and your spirit and your body. So we're only interested on people that want to make profit and trade. Yeah, that's the only people we are interested on. That's also why if you're struggling with capital, we can be able, we set up a capital funding program again. This is about 3 years, 4 years of doing it now. We have even increased it now. You can get up to $10,000 funded capital. So it's not your own money, so you can be able to take the risk. But now, how you can make profit on it is not also by gambling, because if you gamble and lose the drawdown, the money will be taken from you immediately, and you won't have access to it. But there's no challenge to pass. You have to tell our top-notch analysis, make your profit, then you go home. So we are just interested on people who want to grow, not people who want to be running circle. That's what I'm trying to say. So who want to grow? So we have a portfolio where you can be able to connect to the gold trading, hedge it together, so avoid you losing capital. We also have a system where you could be able to trade with maybe funded account and learn properly from us. Then we also have a system that could allow you to do automated trading in case your emotion doesn't allow you, you keep missing opportunities, then that one will come. Then we want to make sure we stick to MT5. That is our strategy for this year. We'll diversify them. But after this one, maybe in the second quarter of the year or second month of this year, we may start navigating into equity investing and stuff like that. So this month, we're going to focus on CFD trading and futures, including physical futures like hedging. Gold futures, physical, not just ideal or digital, where you could hedge this thing. Then we'll focus on funded program for people who are struggling to raise capital, who doesn't have enough capital to hedge the market. Of course, we teach people how to trade. So any questions so far? So I will encourage you guys, if you have not joined our group, make sure you join. You still need to join the brokers we are using. We are using one of the top brokers in the world, one of the top brokers. In fact, one of our brokers has more than 15 licenses. They're even talking about getting another one so far, making 16. I mean, it's exchange-based brokers, and we also use local brokers. For example, some of the execution we do them at Lagos Commodity and Future Exchange. So the information is there. Although exchange cannot confirm dealers, but if you go to the website, you will see our daily member partner who we use in making executions on local exchange. I'm trying to tell you that we are diversifying to make sure that everybody is stable, since money is what we want to make. So it's easier like that. So we have one of the biggest platform, one of the biggest company, one of the best strategies you could work with. Yeah. So let me know if you have a question, guys. I can be able to answer your question. I've taken 10 minutes of our time. We're supposed to spend only 1 hour on live stream. So any questions so far, guys? Any question?
Hello, Mr. Uche.
Yeah, Felix.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Evening. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, sir. Sorry, I joined very late too. I just came in now, and I don't know if you have addressed this issue. My own is not question on analysis. It's on account management.
Okay.
For those of us that have a funded account on GFT Alpha, I don't know. It's
Mhm.
like we need a guide for you to just put us through how to calculate lot sizing well, so that because it's different from MT5. This one
Oh,
is on
okay.
the Alpha.
Oh,
Maybe
oh,
not
okay.
free or something.
Okay. I will fix a class, but I will ask them first. I want to make sure Alan is in the meeting so that they can explain everything to you guys. Maybe I'll fix a class for you to let you guys know how to use it.
Okay, that'll be important.
Or if it's too urgent because of time, I could also maybe make a screenshot and post it on our page.
No, we can wait too, because the funded accounts come with some rules, so that we will not break the rules.
And their rules is even one of the simplest one, because other platform we are using, they give maximum 6% drawdown, but this one gave up to 10 to 20% drawdown, so which is much better than other platform. So
No, but for
we
the
understand.
50K, well, sorry, sir, for the 50K was 5% drawdown.
Oh, okay, because account is big.
Yeah, so please, so that we'll manage you well.
Okay. Oh, okay. I understand. I think the more bigger the account, the lesser the drawdown.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, that might be the reason. So I will ask him this morning. I sent him a message this morning to know how his schedule will be, so that we can be able to kick off heavily. So this time around, yeah. So just keep reminding us, but I won't forget. I will definitely put it together, because that is one of the campaign we are carrying out. We are trying to reach about 10,000 traders this year, to people who want to learn trading, who want to get funded. Nigerian government is set up to train 100,000 youth. We were targeting 10,000. That's 10% of their target. Most likely, we may get up to it, or we may get 5,000. So any other questions so far? Somebody said, do I believe in scalping? I believe in it, but it's not a good strategy. You can use it. These are things you learn when you're a young trader. I think we did scalp in 2009, 2010. That was when we used to scalp those days. Yeah, so yeah, you can do it if you want. Yeah. Any questions so far? Okay. I think there's no question so far. Nobody have asked me, how do I join? So check our page. You see the website is there. You can be able to join. Check at this training. If you want to get a funded account, check the page. You'll be able to see it. I think I don't know if I should also share with you, because I have to let you know about them. So you could be able to access account, and if you're learning from us, we can provide the account, so that you don't need to be on pressure to start putting in your money. That's one thing we discover from people that want to learn. They're already on financial problems. So if you ask them to learn, they already at the same time put like pressure is already there. When is class starting? I never tried to there. So it puts you on pressure. So you can be able to access account. You can access up to $100,000 account. If you're learning for us for a 1 year, you can access up to $100,000 account. Then you can also access up to $50,000 account if you're learning from us for 1 year. Why we make it 25 to 50,000 is because we use different platform. Where we make it 5% to 10% is because we use different platform. So we don't use the same platform. We use different brokers. So it's not our platform. Some of you will be thinking whether it's our own. We are legally allowed to own our own, but we don't own our own directly. So we will partner with other companies who provide you the account, provide you the liquidity. Then if you're learning with us for 6 months, you could get a capital of between 5,000 to 10,000. Some platform give us access to provide up to 5,000. Some give us access to provide up to 10,000. If you're learning with us for about a month, you can get a capital between $1,000 to $5,000. Some platform give us access to provide you with $1,000. Some give us access to provide you with $5,000. So depending. Now look at one thing. So we don't share profit with you. So you keep your profit share. We don't take anyone. So we're not taking your profit with you. So any profit you get with the platform is yours. Then you go home with it. Yeah. So that's one. And you also have access to our weekly one-on-one session. In case you miss our class, you can also be joining our class and training and everything. The same thing apply to our 6-month courses, and VIP has a lot of benefit, because if you can come under VIP, I will know that you're a serious person. You don't want to like try to gamble with our operations. You just want to know what we're doing. So you just want to be serious what you want to do. It's a sign of seriousness if you're here. But if you're on 1 month, I always assume that you just want to know how it works. So we could have more services. It could have like our training is together with training. So our training is together with training. Sorry, our training is together with trading. So we don't. You trade together with us. So when we want to trade, you trade at the same time to make sure that you'll be making more profit than losses. Then to also make sure that you're not gonna lose this drawdown. That's one thing. We want to make sure that this drawdown you will not lose, that you make profit. Just like what happened to you on oil, what happened now on Euro US. If you have captured it and send you, but now all of you may be up 10% profit. Or if it's 100K account, you begin like $10,000 now. Yeah, if it's 50K account, you begin like $5,000 now. If it's 1K account, you begin like $100 or $150 now. No, so that we look for top analysis that will gain you fast, let you trade them while you're learning from us, and you can be able to go home with your profit. So we don't share profit with any of you. It's you, and these are the target we have this year, and we are expecting to reach about 10,000. Last year was 1,000 target. 1,000 traders we wanted to empower, but now this year we're expecting to get up to 10,000. And there's no broker yet who's a sponsor of it. We are doing it by ourselves. If we get a sponsor broker, we may put it on the platform. That's maybe the broker we want to recommend. That means anytime you see it here, it means a broker has partnered with us or a pro firm has partnered with us. Now we don't have a partnership pro firm or a broker. It's an open market. We choose the one we want. Or if you have the one you like us to fund with, then they can tell us this is broker I use. I want you to fund it there. Then if you can fund it there, we'll tell you. If you cannot fund it there, we'll let you know. No, that's why you can choose your own broker or your own platform for now. Yeah. So we'll be doing it for a long time now, and you can be able to be part of it if you want. That's for those who are learning, so that you will come and trade and go home. I think that's all for now, where we end it this evening. I hope you can got a value. Do you receive a value? You can comment yes if you got a value. Someone want to ask me a question. So for training, is there a physical? We don't have physical training now, so this is the area we can do. For now, no physical training. We closed it all down last year, April, and there's no point because there was no need of putting it again. Yeah, we have more people online and across the world. So instead of being confined in a particular region, we didn't do it again because when we have office there, people we are not coming there as much. People that even register will still come once. After that, once they start connected on the Zoom, so we can't keep paying for office and the services, and the people are not making use of it. Also, it gave now we have chance to reach broad number of people. Like today, you see that somebody that commented today came from the United States. So if you are not online, the person won't see us. So we don't have office physical training for now. Everything is gonna be done online, and basically we don't want to be doing training like that. We just want to be doing trading and mentorship. So it's only for people that want to trade. It's not for me to leave proper training and the trading and just be explaining chart for everybody every year. No. So it's better we focus more on training, trading, and mentorship. It's easier that way, so that you can be able to scale fast than to keep teaching newbies all the time. Mentorship is more better than training because anybody can trade, but mentorship is where you make the profit. Anybody can put a buyer, can put a sell, anybody can put SL, but mentorship is guiding you on things to do, giving you breakdown analysis, and helping you scale some things that you all know to have scaled by yourself. Then you make your profit. That's why if you come in for the first month or first week, you can even make profit at the same time. People that join us today, believe me, they may also have made profit in case they traded the market we posted to them today. So this way we end it now. I will end it now and let all of us go. I got good value. Thank you, sir. Okay, no, somebody say no value as well. That's from Tony. Okay, yeah, I like as I get this response now before closing. So look out on our Telegram tomorrow. We'll be able to give you update on the market. If we're gonna have class tomorrow, and then Wednesday we're gonna have class, please make sure you fund the account. Let us hit the market on the nail and start trading. So that's all. This is serious trading. And that's all. So Flimsy, if you are still with us here, let me know if I can assist you on the account that you mentioned. Then by contacting us, I can be able to put you through on it. Thank you so much, and do have a lovely evening or a good sleep. It's already evening.